Hello and welcome to the Melt-to-Make Formula Calculator app. This app is your key to consistently producing high-quality, accurately formulated gummies. The Calculator app is located in the resources section of our website, and from here you can get started by creating an account. Once your account is set up, you'll be able to create, save, and manage your formulations all in one place. The Formula Calculator app goes beyond basic formulation. In the Formula Calculator section, you'll find calculators for Melt-to-Make Gelatin, Gelatin Pectin Blend, and Melt-to-Make Classic and Prebiotic Fiber Pectin. You'll also have access to additional tools like the Gummy Weight Calculator and the Wax Coating Calculator. In the Resources section, you'll find a flavor and color usage guide. This is where you'll find suggested usage rates for all Melt-to-Make flavors, flavor enhancers, and colors. You'll also find a Melt-to-Make recipe library for inspiration and reference. You can use this library to quickly load recipes into the calculator of your choice, giving you a solid starting point for any of your formulations. Before you start formulating, we highly recommend determining the weight of your gummy first. You can calculate this with our Gummy Weight Calculator. To get started with a batch, you'll first need to determine the type of gummy base you'll be using and navigate to that specific calculator. Then, you can begin by entering your batch name, total batch size, and weight of each gummy. On the calculator, the line waste will be automatically set to 5%. This is our general suggestion. You may experience more or less depending on your methods. If you're using multiple flavored gummy bases in a single formulation, simply add each one in the flavored gummy base section. The calculator will automatically determine and populate the required amount of each base based on your target batch size. Adding additives is where you'll enter the potency and target milligrams per gummy for each active ingredient. You can find this information on your lab results or certificate of analysis, also known as a COA. As you enter these details, keep an eye on the total additive content cell, which updates automatically as you build your formulation. If the cell turns red, it means your formulation exceeds our recommended limits. It doesn't automatically mean your formula won't work, but it does indicate that you may want to contact our technical team to discuss the feasibility of your formulation. Some additives can also impact pH, structure, or overall integrity of the gummy base, so we encourage you to reach out if you're unsure about how certain ingredients may interact. Next, you'll add bulk flavors, flavor enhancers, and all-natural colors if applicable to your batch. As you begin typing a Melt-to-Make ingredient into these fields, the calculator will auto-populate the available options for you. You'll then adjust the usage rate based on the flavor profile you're aiming to achieve. Once you've finished formulating your batch, you can save, export, or email your formulation directly from the calculator. If you choose to save it for future use, all saved formulations can be found in the Saved Calculators tab. From there, you can easily reload a previous formulation back into the system and make any adjustments as needed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the Melt-to-Make Formula Calculator, please don't hesitate to reach out. Your success is our success, and we're here to help with every step of the process.